Today we're going to review these Warheads Ooze Chew ropes. We want to know which flavor is best and how they stack up. So I got my guest panel of children judges. We're going to give them each flavor and see how they like it. All right, so out of blue raspberry, green apple, and watermelon, which was your favorite?
Green.
Green. One vote for green. What about you?
Blue.
Green and blue. What about you?
Red.
Oh my goodness. So everybody has different preferences. Honestly, I think they all taste about the same. But they're pretty good. I think I liked the blue the most, but they were all pretty good.